Well, hello there. I'm Kim Berry, editor of Food and Drink Business. Welcome to Play, our weekly news roundup, brought to you by GS1 Australia, the only authorised source for your barcodes. For 50 years, GS1 standards have powered businesses to trade seamlessly, efficiently and safely. You can learn more about the next generation of barcodes at gs1au.org. In the news this week, it took 18 months and more than $100 million, but dairy co-op Norco has reopened its ice cream plant in Lismore after it was destroyed in the 2022 catastrophic flooding. It means 130 people will have a job and we get to eat more ice cream, including ice creams on a stick, which can have chunks in them thanks to a new machine that is the only one in Australia. As well as the latest technology and automation, the factory has been designed as flood-proof as possible. It's capable of defending a 15-metre high incident with features including physical flood barriers and quick decoupling technology. At the National Innovation Policy Forum in Canberra this week, Industry Minister Ed Husic launched the $392 million Industry Growth Program. Its purpose is to support startups and SMEs commercialise their good ideas and innovations into scalable businesses with export potential. And late yesterday, Husic and Finance Minister Katie Gallagher signed and published the National Reconstruction Fund investment mandate, officially declaring the NRF is open for business. Now, at the moment, the nrf.gov.au website just outlines the priority areas and really what we know already. But here's hoping more information on how to apply for finance will be up there sooner rather than later. After 16 years with the company and 8 as CEO, Dean Carroll has announced he is leaving the Brown Family Wine Group. The new CEO is Cameron McFarlane. The ACCC issued a court-enforceable undertaking to Moo Premium Foods for its misleading claims about the environmental credentials of its yogurt packaging on its packs, the website and social media. Moo claimed that the resin in the packaging was made from 100% ocean plastic, when in fact the material had come from coastal areas in Malaysia, not directly from the ocean. It's the latest action by the ACCC on greenwashing, which it announced it was targeting earlier in the year. The ACCC has actually released a draft guidance on how to avoid greenwashing, so get on board with that. Riverland Wine, Wine Australia and the Wine Grape Council of South Australia have launched the Riverland Wine Industry Blueprint. It outlines the next 10 years and recovery plans from recent economic and environmental challenges that have been happening in the region. Now, the Riverland region of South Australia runs 330 kilometres along the Murray River, east of the Barossa Valley. It's the largest wine-producing region in Australia, home to around 1,000 wine grape growers with 20,600 hectares of vines. Global taste and wellness company Givaudan is partnering with neuroscience company Timus to monitor the unconscious processes we have when it comes to food. There's a lot to be said about the divide between what we say and what we do, so now with Timus's T-Box, the gig is up. T-Box is a headset that records brain signals, which are then processed by validated algorithms to measure 4 key mental states, including mental asymmetry, engagement, cognitive workload and relaxation. So you might say that that healthy birdseed adjacent snack bar is delicious and you would definitely buy it when you're in the focus group or filling in the questionnaire, but T-Box will register just how much you prefer to eat the packaging rather than the bar. Jokes aside, it's a really interesting area of understanding our food emotions and how we experience food. So for all these stories and more, head to the website foodanddrinkbusiness.com.au. You'll also find up there the latest episode in our Sustainability Just Get Started series with Calix and Currajong Kitchen, and also our latest podcast with Roberto Cordone from Cucina Classica. I think that'll do. Thanks to GS1, and with that, I'm Kim Berry, over and out.